Most people start their day with coffee, believing it is the only way to feel awake, focused, and productive. But what if that daily habit is quietly draining your energy, stressing your heart, and accelerating aging without you realizing it? What if a simple, ancient drink could give you steady energy, sharper focus, better fat burning, clearer skin, and stronger organs all at once? Today, you are going to discover why green tea has been used for centuries as a healing drink, how it works inside your body, and how to use it correctly for maximum benefits. Watch until the end to learn how green tea may even help protect your heart, liver, and brain as you age. If you value natural health solutions backed by science, like this video, subscribe, and let's begin. Green tea is not just another beverage. It is one of the most powerful natural health tools you can add to your daily routine. Unlike coffee, which often overstimulates the nervous system, green tea works gently, supporting your body from the inside out. From boosting brain power and burning stubborn fat to slowing skin aging and improving heart health, green tea delivers benefits that go far beyond energy. In this video, you will learn the 9 most amazing benefits of green tea, how to prepare it the right way, and why small changes in how you drink it can dramatically improve the results you get. Before we dive into the benefits, let's quickly talk about how to prepare green tea properly so you actually receive its healing compounds. To make a powerful cup of green tea, start with 1 high-quality organic green tea bag or loose-leaf tea. Use 1 cup of hot water, but not boiling. Water that is too hot can damage the delicate antioxidants that make green tea so effective. Let the tea steep for about 2 minutes, then remove the tea bag. Add 3 to 5 drops of liquid stevia if you prefer sweetness, and squeeze in fresh lemon juice from half a lemon. Stir well and enjoy. Drinking this mixture 2 to 3 times per day can help support your body and unlock the benefits you are about to learn. Now let's begin with the first amazing benefit. Benefit 1. Boosting brain power without the crash. When people feel tired or mentally drained, they often reach for coffee. While coffee can provide a quick burst of energy, it frequently comes with unwanted side effects like jitters, anxiety, racing thoughts, and an energy crash a few hours later. Green tea works differently. Green tea contains a moderate amount of caffeine combined with a powerful amino acid called L-theanine. This combination creates a state of calm alertness. Instead of overstimulating your nervous system, green tea supports steady focus, improved concentration, and mental clarity. L-theanine increases alpha brainwave activity, which is associated with relaxed focus and creativity. This means you can feel awake and sharp without feeling tense or restless. Many people notice they can think more clearly, stay productive longer, and avoid that afternoon energy slump when they switch from coffee to green tea. Green tea has also been linked to better memory and cognitive performance over time. The antioxidants in green tea help protect brain cells from oxidative stress, which plays a role in age-related cognitive decline. By drinking green tea regularly, you are not only supporting short-term focus, but also helping protect your brain for the future. Benefit 2. Burning fat faster and more efficiently. Green tea is one of the most effective natural fat-burning drinks available. Its power comes largely from a group of antioxidants called catechins, especially one known as EGCG. EGCG has been shown to increase metabolism by up to 8%. That may not sound dramatic at first, but it adds up. For many people, this means burning an extra 60 to 80 calories per day at rest without changing anything else. Over time, this metabolic boost can support gradual, sustainable weight loss. Green tea is particularly effective at targeting stubborn belly fat. It helps improve liver function, which plays a central role in fat metabolism and detoxification. When the liver is functioning efficiently, your body becomes better at breaking down stored fat and using it for energy. Green tea also helps improve insulin sensitivity and stabilize blood sugar levels. Stable blood sugar reduces cravings, prevents energy crashes, and makes it easier to maintain a healthy weight. This is one reason many people find green tea helpful when they are trying to lose weight or reduce abdominal fat. Benefit 3. Supporting hair growth and scalp health. Hair thinning and hair loss affect both men and women, especially with age. One major factor involved in hair loss is a hormone called DHT. Elevated DHT levels can shrink hair follicles and shorten the hair growth cycle. The EGC in green tea has been shown to help block the activity of DHT. By reducing its effects, green tea can help protect hair follicles and support healthier hair growth. Green tea also improves blood circulation to the scalp. Better circulation means more oxygen and nutrients reach the hair follicles, which supports thicker, stronger hair. Over time, this can reduce excessive shedding and promote fuller-looking hair. Green tea is also helpful for scalp conditions. Its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties can reduce dandruff, itchiness, and scalp irritation. Some people drink green tea for these benefits, while others use it as a topical rinse. Using cooled green tea as a hair rinse after shampooing may help strengthen hair strands, improve shine, and soothe the scalp. Whether used internally or externally, green tea provides valuable support for healthier hair. Benefit 4. Clearing acne and balancing skin oil. Acne is not just a teenage problem. Many adults struggle with breakouts, oily skin, and clogged pores. One of the underlying causes of acne is elevated androgen hormone activity, which increases oil production in the skin. Green tea helps naturally lower excessive androgen activity and supports hormonal balance. When oil production decreases, pores are less likely to become clogged, reducing the formation of blackheads, whiteheads, and pimples. The antioxidants in green tea also reduce inflammation, which helps calm red, irritated skin. This makes green tea especially helpful for people with acne-prone or sensitive skin. In addition to drinking green tea, it can also be used directly on the skin. Cooled green tea can be applied as a natural toner to tighten pores, reduce oil, and soothe inflammation. Later in the video, you will learn more ways to use green tea topically for skin health. This internal and external approach makes green tea a powerful ally for clearer, healthier skin. Benefit 5. Naturally freshening breath and supporting oral health. Bad breath is often caused by bacteria living in the mouth, especially on the tongue and between the teeth. These bacteria produce sulfur compounds that create unpleasant odors. While mints and mouthwashes may temporarily mask the smell, they do not address the root cause. Green tea contains catechins that have strong antibacterial properties. These compounds can help kill odor-causing bacteria in the mouth, reducing bad breath naturally. Studies have shown that regular green tea consumption can significantly lower levels of bacteria linked to halitosis. Drinking green tea daily helps keep your mouth cleaner and fresher throughout the day. Some people also use matcha green tea powder mixed with water as a natural mouthwash or gargle. This can support gum health, reduce inflammation, and provide long-lasting freshness without harsh chemicals. Green tea may also help reduce plaque formation and support healthier gums over time. This can contribute to better overall oral health, making green tea a simple yet effective addition to your daily routine. Benefit 6. Protecting skin from aging and environmental damage. One of the most celebrated benefits of green tea is its ability to protect the skin from aging. As we age, our skin is exposed to free radicals from sunlight, pollution, stress, and poor diet. These free radicals damage skin cells, break down collagen, and lead to wrinkles, sagging, and dullness. Green tea is rich in polyphenols, especially EGCG, which help neutralize free radicals from the inside out. By reducing oxidative stress, green tea slows the breakdown of collagen and elastin, two proteins essential for firm, youthful-looking skin. Regular green tea consumption has been associated with improved skin elasticity, better hydration, and a more even complexion. Many people notice their skin looks brighter and healthier after making green tea a daily habit. Green tea can also be used externally to support skin health. Using cooled green tea as a facial mist or compress can help soothe sun-exposed skin, reduce redness, and protect against environmental stressors. Some people even use green tea in homemade masks to nourish and protect the skin from the outside in. Drinking 2 to 3 cups per day provides consistent antioxidant protection, helping your skin age more gracefully over time. Benefit 7. Removing fat from the liver and supporting detoxification. Your liver plays a critical role in detoxification, fat metabolism, and blood sugar regulation. When excess fat accumulates in the liver, it can interfere with these functions and contribute to fatigue, weight gain, and metabolic issues. Green tea has been shown to reduce inflammation in the liver and increase fat oxidation. This means it helps your liver break down and remove stored fat more efficiently. When combined with fresh lemon juice, the effects can be even more powerful. Lemon juice supports liver enzyme activity and enhances the absorption of antioxidants found in green tea. This is why adding freshly squeezed lemon juice to your green tea is highly recommended. Some people also add a small amount of apple cider vinegar to their green tea. This can help stabilize blood sugar levels and further support liver cleansing. While this step is optional, it may provide additional benefits for those focused on metabolic health. By supporting liver function, green tea helps improve energy levels, digestion, and overall metabolic balance. Benefit 8. Protecting the heart and improving circulation. Heart health becomes increasingly important as we age. Chronic stress, poor diet, and excessive caffeine intake can all place strain on the cardiovascular system. Drinking too much coffee, for example, can increase cortisol levels and raise blood pressure over time. Green tea offers a gentler alternative that actively supports heart health. Regular green tea consumption has been linked to lower blood pressure, improved cholesterol levels, and better circulation. The catechins in green tea help prevent plaque from building up in the arteries. This reduces the risk of blockages and supports healthy blood flow. Green tea also improves endothelial function, which helps blood vessels remain flexible and responsive. By enhancing circulation and reducing inflammation, green tea lowers the risk of blood clots and supports long-term cardiovascular health. These effects make green tea an excellent daily habit for protecting your heart naturally. Benefit 9. Fighting cancer, supporting immunity, and more. Beyond the benefits we have already discussed, green tea offers powerful protective effects throughout the body. The catechins in green tea have been studied for their potential role in preventing certain types of cancer, including breast, prostate, and colorectal cancer. These compounds help inhibit the growth of abnormal cells and protect healthy cells from DNA damage. While green tea is not a cure, regular consumption may support the body's natural defense mechanisms. Green tea also strengthens the immune system. Its antiviral and antibacterial properties help the body fight off infections more effectively. Many people drink green tea during cold and flu season to support immune resilience. Green tea may also help regulate blood sugar levels, making it beneficial for people concerned about insulin resistance. The L-theanine in green tea promotes relaxation and can reduce stress and anxiety without causing drowsiness. Some studies suggest green tea may help reduce the risk of kidney stones by improving hydration and reducing oxidative stress in the kidneys. Others find it helpful for easing seasonal allergy symptoms. These combined effects make green tea one of the most versatile and beneficial beverages you can consume. Using green tea properly for maximum benefits. To get the most out of green tea, preparation matters. Always use hot water, but not boiling. Water that is too hot can destroy the delicate polyphenols and catechins that provide many of the health benefits. Choose high-quality, organic green tea whenever possible. Lower-quality teas may contain pesticide residues or heavy metals that are not beneficial to your health. Avoid adding milk to green tea. Dairy proteins can bind to catechins and reduce their absorption. For the same reason, decaffeinated green tea is not ideal, as the decaffeination process often removes beneficial antioxidants. Adding fresh lemon juice can improve antioxidant absorption and enhance the flavor. This simple step can significantly increase the benefits you receive from each cup. Green tea versus black tea. What is the difference? Green tea and black tea both come from the same plant, Camellia sinensis, but they are processed very differently. Black tea is fully fermented and oxidized, which gives it a darker color and stronger flavor. While black tea still offers some health benefits, the oxidation process significantly reduces the amount of antioxidants it contains. Green tea, on the other hand, is minimally processed. The leaves are quickly heated to prevent oxidation, preserving a much higher concentration of catechins and other plant compounds. This is why green tea delivers stronger anti-inflammatory, fat-burning, and protective effects compared to black tea. If your goal is maximum health benefits, green tea is the better daily choice. Black tea may still be enjoyed occasionally, but it does not provide the same level of cellular protection and metabolic support. What makes matcha green tea so powerful? Matcha is a unique and concentrated form of green tea. Instead of steeping tea leaves and discarding them, matcha is made from finely ground whole tea leaves. This means you consume 100% of the leaf and all of its nutrients. Because of this, matcha contains significantly higher levels of antioxidants than regular green tea. In fact, matcha can contain up to 3 times more catechins, including EGCG. This makes it especially powerful for brain health, fat burning, and anti-aging benefits. Matcha also contains slightly more caffeine, but it still provides the calming effects of L-theanine. This creates sustained energy and mental clarity without jitters. For most people, 1 to 2 cups of matcha per day is enough to experience its benefits. Matcha is an excellent option for those who want a stronger effect or who need longer-lasting focus and energy. Additional ways to use green tea for health and beauty. Green tea is not only beneficial when consumed as a drink, it can also be used externally to support skin, hair, and oral health. Cooled green tea can be applied to the skin to reduce oil, tighten pores, and improve complexion. Using it as a facial mist throughout the day may help protect the skin from environmental damage and support a natural, healthy glow. Green tea can also be poured into ice cube trays and frozen. Rubbing green tea ice cubes gently over the face may help reduce puffiness, soothe inflammation, and refresh tired skin. For oral health, matcha mixed with water can be used as a natural mouth rinse to calm inflamed gums and freshen breath. Swishing green tea through the mouth allows its antibacterial compounds to work directly where they are needed. For hair care, rinsing the hair with cooled green tea after shampooing can help strengthen strands, reduce dandruff, and add shine. Over time, this simple practice may improve overall hair texture and scalp comfort. Matcha powder can also be added to smoothies for an antioxidant boost. Blending it with fruits, leafy greens, and healthy fats creates a nourishing drink that supports energy and metabolism. Green tea is far more than a simple beverage. It is a powerful natural tool that supports your brain, your metabolism, your skin, your hair, your liver, and your heart. By drinking green tea regularly and preparing it properly, you can experience steady energy, improved focus, better fat burning, clearer skin, and stronger protection against aging and disease. Small daily habits create the biggest long-term results. Replacing 1 or 2 cups of coffee with green tea may be one of the simplest yet most effective changes you can make for your health. All information shared in this video is for educational purposes only. If you have medical conditions or are taking medications, please speak with your healthcare provider before making changes to your routine. If you found this video helpful, like it, share it with someone who could benefit, and subscribe for more science-backed natural health tips. For more guidance on anti-aging and improving your overall health, watch the video on your screen now. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you great health, wealth, and happiness.